it's been a craze since last year. I mean, we notice that when we do parties, people tend to ask for dancing. Actually, it's not the disco dancing, but they do ask for ballroom dancing, as in they do tango, salsa, swing, boogie.
He wanted that way para walang chismis. And you know why I'm so comfortable with it? Kasi ano siya.
Well, I think it all depends on the individual, you know. It all depends on the person, the woman, the lady. The DI is an innocent guy, and if the woman is the one tempting him, naturally, it's an opportunity. And of course, hanap buhay yan. So, it all depends on the person and the woman. In my case, I treat him like a son. That's why I like dancing with him. There is no malice.
If you're really into dancing only, may prinsipyo ka, nasa sayo. Kasi like, sabihin natin sa amin, may nag-offer din, pero parang what for? Parang kumikita naman ako, di ba?